Hello guys, welcome to another video of Tech Pro. Samsung has launched a new phone in its Galaxy series, the new Galaxy A51. So let's unbox it, let's see what's new in this phone, let's see its new features. So this is the new Samsung Galaxy A51. So let's first talk about its newly designed screen. The new Samsung Galaxy A51 gets a newly punch-hole camera with a Super AMOLED capacitive touchscreen with 16 million colors. It is about 6.5 inches and the screen to body ratio is 87.4%. The resolution is 1080 x 2400 pixels with a ratio of 20:9. And the new phone gets a Corning Gorilla Glass 3. New punch hole design of the screen is as the same in the new Galaxy Note 10 Lite and the new Galaxy S10 Lite. So let's first see its performance. If we talk about Samsung's performance, it is very great. This phone comes with Samsung Exynos 9 Octa 9611 with a processor True Octa Core, 2.3 GHz quad core, Cortex A73 plus 1.7 GHz quad core Cortex A53. The RAM options available is 6GB and 8GB. Samsung main focus this year in the year 2020 is on the camera. So let's see what's new in the new cameras of the new Galaxy A51. The new phone comes with a quad rear camera with a square shaped design just like Apple. You also get an ultra wide lens and a wide lens. The main camera is 48 megapixels and the second camera is 12 megapixel. Third and the fourth camera is 5 megapixel. You also get autofocus with a physical aperture of f2.0. The image resolution is 8000 x 6000 pixels. The shooting modes are continuous shooting and high dynamic range mode. You can shoot video on this phone at the 3840 x 2160 pixels at 30 fps. The front camera of this phone is 32 megapixel with no autofocus and physical aperture is f2.2. Samsung new phone gets a monster battery of 4000 mAh with talk time up to 32 hours with a fast charger of 15 watt. As all the phone in this generation gets a on-screen fingerprint sensor, this phone also gets with other sensors like light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer and gyroscope. Samsung also gives a micro SD card reader so that you can expand your memory to 512 GB. This phone is not yet launched in India, but seeing the rumors, this would be a budget phone. That this price would go to 24,000 for 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. You can also move to 8GB RAM and 128GB storage at a price of 26,000. So these were all the features of the new Samsung Galaxy A51. This is a very good budget phone by Samsung. This can bring a very good mark in the market. It has all the features that one wants in its phone, like the new quad rear camera, ultra wide lens, new monster battery, the new infinity punch hole display. Also the new AMOLED screen is very great. It is not yet launched in India, but it is rumored to be at a price of 24,000. So thank you for seeing this video. If you like my video, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for seeing Tech Pro and also hit the bell icon.